Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we'll focus on the 2025 models and the advancements that are pushing durability to the next level. Let's get started. Improved transmission and gearbox designs. Finally, advancements in transmission and gearbox designs are also playing a crucial role in improving the durability and performance of vehicles. New technologies such as dual-clutch transmissions, continuously variable transmissions, and automated manual transmissions are making significant strides. These advancements have led to the development of more efficient and responsive transmissions, such as the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission found in some 2025 models. This transmission provides faster shifting and improved fuel efficiency, making it a key component of the vehicle's overall performance. Electronics and safety features. When it comes to the latest vehicles, there's no denying that electronics and safety features play a huge role in shaping the driving experience. From advanced driver assistance systems to improved infotainment and connectivity, car manufacturers are constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation. In this section, we'll take a closer look at the key differences between 2024 and 2025 models, highlighting the most significant upgrades and advancements. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. Imagine having a personal driving assistant that's always on the lookout for potential hazards. That's essentially what ADAS offers, a suite of technologies designed to prevent accidents and make driving safer. In 2025 models, expect to see even more sophisticated ADAS features, including enhanced lane departure warning systems, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These advanced systems rely on a combination of cameras, radar, and lidar sensors to build a 360-degree picture of the driving environment. By providing real-time feedback and alerts, ADAS can help drivers stay focused and avoid potential dangers. Increased use of sensors and cameras. Sensors and cameras are the unsung heroes of modern vehicle safety. They provide the data that ADAS systems need to function effectively, and in 2025 models, you can expect to see even more of them. Some notable examples include high-resolution cameras, radar sensors, and ultrasonic sensors. By integrating these sensors and cameras into the vehicle's safety systems, manufacturers can create a more comprehensive and responsive safety net. Improved infotainment and connectivity systems. Let's face it, infotainment systems can make or break the driving experience. In 2025 models, you can expect to see significant upgrades in this area, including larger, higher-resolution touchscreens, enhanced voice recognition systems, and seamless integration with popular smartphone apps and services. These improved systems will not only provide a more enjoyable driving experience but also help to reduce distractions and keep drivers focused on the road. By combining intuitive controls with advanced connectivity features, manufacturers can create a more harmonious and connected driving environment. Testing and validation. The keys to unlocking vehicle durability. When it comes to vehicle durability, testing and validation are the unsung heroes. These processes ensure that every vehicle that rolls off the assembly line can withstand the rigors of the road and keep drivers safe. But what sets the 2025 models apart from their 2024 counterparts? Let's take a closer look at the advancements in testing and validation that are making a significant impact on vehicle durability. More stringent testing protocols. In the past, vehicle testing was largely focused on meeting regulatory requirements. However, with the increasing emphasis on safety and durability, manufacturers are now going above and beyond to ensure their vehicles can withstand even the toughest conditions. This includes extreme weather testing, advanced crash testing, and long-term durability testing. These more stringent testing protocols are helping manufacturers identify and address potential issues before they become major problems. Increased use of simulation and modeling. Physical testing is essential, but it's not the only way to ensure vehicle durability. Simulation and modeling are playing an increasingly important role in the testing and validation process. By using advanced computer simulations and modeling techniques, manufacturers can test multiple scenarios, reduce testing time and costs, and improve accuracy. By combining physical testing with simulation and modeling, manufacturers can ensure their vehicles are thoroughly tested and validated. Improved data analytics and feedback loops. Data analytics is revolutionizing the testing and validation process. By collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data, manufacturers can identify trends and patterns, improve feedback loops, and reduce warranty claims. The integration of data analytics and feedback loops is enabling manufacturers to make significant strides in vehicle durability, setting the stage for even more impressive advancements in the years to come. Regulatory and environmental factors. When it comes to vehicle durability, there's more at play than just design and manufacturing. Regulatory and environmental factors have a significant impact on how cars are built, tested, and certified. In recent years, we've seen a significant shift in the regulatory landscape, driven by growing concerns about climate change and the need to reduce our carbon footprint. But what does this mean for vehicle durability? Let's take a closer look at some of the key regulatory and environmental factors that are shaping the future of the automotive industry. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.